Jeffrey Fairburn, born the 22nd of May 1966, is a British businessman, the chief executive, CEO, of Persimmon plc, a British house-building company and constituent of the FTSE 100 index. Since April 2013. Early life. Jeffrey Fairburn was born on the 22nd of May 1966. He is the son of a motor mechanic father. Grew up in York, and left Fulford Comprehensive at the age of 17. Career. After leaving school, Fairburn joined a 2-year youth training scheme in York, to become a quantity surveyor, working, and training for a higher national certificate, HNC, qualification at York Technical College. Fairburn joined Persimmon in 1989. Fairburn has been the CEO of Persimmon since April 2013. As of December 2017, Fairburn has been a director of 305 UK companies. In December 2017, Persimmon's chairman, Nicholas Wrigley, resigned over his role in awarding Fairburn bonus in the region of £100 million. The Persimmon bonus scheme is believed to be the UK's most generous ever, and is scheduled to pay more than £800 million to 150 senior staff from the 31st of December 2016. As of March 2017, Fairburn agreed to hand back £25 million of the bonus, and set aside a substantial portion of the sum to charity. This will bring the total payout to £75 million. Personal life. Fairburn drives a Range Rover, enjoys Formula One racing, and his holiday destination of choice is Florida.